Hi, this is Dr. Amrita on Ikika Wellness Podcast. Today, something struck me and I wanted to share that with all that excitement. Today, I was going through Patanjali Yoga Sutra. In there is a beautiful concept called Chittaprasadana, that is Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha. And I was like, wait, this is like our life cycle. I will explain. Think of it. During our school days, when we were kids, our parents used to ask us to be friends with the studious ones. That is, be friends with studious. But what they actually mean is be friends with the good ones, the right ones who brings the best in you, who cheer you up, not the one who pulls you down. That is the core concept of Maitri. Then comes our teenage days. That is our puberty days with all the hormonal chaos, confusions. You don't know what is happening inside. You are turning into something new. And that time you should have empathy to yourself and to others. Because with all hormonal chaos and all, you will be having mood swings and all. So at that time, you should have empathy to yourself and to others. That is what Karuna, the concept of Karuna means. Third one is Mudita. After school, you are entering into your college days, young adulthood. You will be surrounded with a lot different kinds of peer group, and some will be doing well, some will be achieving more. So there comes Mudita. That is the ability to find happy in other success, having that admiration to those who are successful, and learning from that. That is the concept of Mudita. And seriously, if you get this thing at the right time now, your life feels much lighter. Then comes your adulthood. That is, adulthood builds responsibilities, realities, and most commonly, you will be surrounded with a lot of criticism, especially negative criticism, negativity, toxic environment, most commonly. At that time comes the upeksha concept. That is, staying away from negativity, letting go of upeksha, letting go of negativity. So think about it. It's like these four can be has to be practiced all together. There is no like this time you have to practice. No, this has to be done all together for calming your mind. But I felt connected with our life cycle. What do you think? Share your thoughts on the comment section and follow Ikiga Wellness Podcast.